Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to hide your activity feed on your Xbox. Let's get into the method. Open the settings first. You can do this by pressing the Xbox button, then scroll all the way to the right and choose settings here. Within the settings, scroll down to the account option on the menu on the left. Then choose privacy and online safety. Next, choose Xbox privacy and then select View Details and Customize. Now select Communication and Multiplayer and have a look for the option called Others Can See Your Activity Feed. It might be all the way on the right. Select this and then you can choose Only Me to hide this. That's how to hide your activity feed on your Xbox. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.